So good evening, good people. This is Evewin Lakra, and this is my current Flipkart Minutes order. It's around 4 p.m. here in our place, Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, India, and just now I ordered these products from Flipkart Minutes, and I got a wonderful offer while purchasing these products. So let me tell you the entire package cost. Rupees 110. I've paid for all these 6 products. Let me tell you what I have purchased. Number 1, Slice. Number 2, Mirinda. 3, Dark Fantasy Bourbon Biscuit. Britannia, Lassi, Lasun or Garlic. And this is the new product that I have purchased, You brand Schezwan Stir Fry Noodle Meal. And yeah, these are the 6 products, and I paid 110 Indian rupee, and I got very good discount while purchasing these products. The MRP is high, but Flipkart Minutes was giving offer, and I grabbed the offer, and these are the products. Let me tell you about the MRP of Mirinda. It's written Rs 20. I paid Rs 19. The maximum retail price of Slice is Rs 35. I paid 30 rupees. MRP MRP maximum retail price of Dark Fantasy Sunfeast brand Bourbon Biscuit is Rs 30. I paid Rs 14. Britannia Lassi maximum retail price is Rs 20. I paid Rs 12. For 3 Lasun or Garlic, I paid Rs 10. 70 to 80 gram is the weight. And this is the new product, You brand Schezwan Stir Fry Noodle. The MRP written on the pack is Rs 65 Indian rupee. I paid just Rs 25. So thumbs up to Flipkart Minutes.